Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to clear cache in League of Legends. In order to clear the cache files of League of Legends, all you need to do is head to the search panel of Windows. From here type League of Legends, then click on Open File Location. After that, right click on the League of Legends shortcut and click on Open File Location again. Now head back to the Riot Games folder. From here go to a League of Legends folder. Under here you will find a folder called Logs. This is the cache folder of League of Legends. So in order to clear it, all you need to do is right click and click on delete. Now as you can see, you currently cannot delete the folder because League of Legends client is running in the background. All you need to do is exit League of Legends client as well as Riot client from your task manager. So right click on your task manager. After that, from your profile, make sure that no Riot client instances are running. So after that, click on try again and the file will be deleted. So this is how you can essentially clear your cache files of League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.